Hi and welcome to the channel. We purchased the DJI Osmo Action 3 in late 2022. In this video I'm going to look at the reasons for buying this and why it is a great camera for when you're out and about walking, travelling, cycling, skiing and more action-packed adventures. Even if your intention is not to make videos for YouTube or Instagram, the Action 3, we believe, is a great all-round addition to your rucksack or pocket when out and about. So if you've not come across us before, we make videos about our travels in our motorhome. But like I say, the camera can be used for all sorts of activities, whether you're into taking stills or making videography. There's lots of other videos detailing the settings and features of these cameras, but we wanted to mention a few reasons for purchase. So here we go. If you've not joined us before and you find the video useful, please do like and subscribe. There's a link in the information below too if you want to check out the specifications of this camera. Not in any particular order then. The price. Price was important. Personally, we didn't want to spend upwards of £500 on a camera, so this one with the adventure pack came in at just $315. With it you get all these pieces. The camera is nice and small, but packs a big punch with features. It's small enough to go in your pocket, and small enough too not to be obtrusive and draw attention to your filming. The camera's waterproof too. Without an outer waterproof case, you can go down to 16 meters, and with a waterproof case, an additional extra, you can go down to 60 meters. So that's nearly 53 feet without a case. It powers up really quickly too, and not just to a power on state. In 2.5 seconds it can start filming from being switched on with your previous settings. Absolutely brilliant. Once it's on, you have 160 minutes of battery time, and this adventure pack comes with 3 batteries. So that's 8 whole hours of usage before being charged. You can charge the batteries in the camera or in the charger provided with the adventure pack. It has 2 screens, so whether you're talking to camera or using it traditionally, you can see what's being recorded. It's also got 3 microphones which can capture sound all around or in a particular direction. I think special mention should be made to the mounting system too, which allows the camera to click into the accessories with a unique clip and magnet system so it won't come loose. The selfie stick is also very stable, and with the case on you can mount the camera in landscape or portrait. So it's a great camera for those just starting out, and equally useful perhaps as a second camera for more advanced vloggers, or just those who want a small versatile action camera with virtually every feature you can think of. Recent firmware updates have improved some of the features on the camera, so it's important to keep up with those. So all in all, we're very pleased with the camera and glad we made the choice with the DJI Osmo Action 3. Thanks for watching.